Imagine the sweet aroma of cocoa beans being ground into a fine paste, then mixed with sugar and milk to create a heavenly concoction that we all know and love. Chocolate. The journey of a chocolate bar begins in the tropical climates where cacao trees thrive. These trees bear pods, each filled with about 20 to 60 cocoa beans. Harvesters break open these pods and scoop out the beans, which are then fermented, a crucial step that develops the beans' unique flavors. Next, the beans are dried under the sun, roasted to bring out their rich aroma, and then winnowed to remove the shells, leaving behind pure cocoa nibs. These nibs are the essence of what will become the mouth-watering chocolate we adore. At Cadbury, these cocoa nibs undergo a unique process. They're ground into a paste known as chocolate liquor, a rich blend that contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. The grinding process generates heat which melts the cocoa butter and results in a liquid that's poured into molds to create unsweetened chocolate. But the magic doesn't stop there. Cadbury's chocolatiers then add sugar, milk, and their secret blend of ingredients to this unsweetened chocolate. The mixture is refined and conched, a process that evenly distributes cocoa butter within the chocolate, develops flavors, and ensures a smooth texture. It's at this stage that Cadbury's commitment to quality and sustainability truly shines. They source their milk from local farms, ensuring freshness and supporting local communities. They also ensure their cocoa is sustainably sourced, preserving the environment and supporting farmers. Finally, the chocolate is tempered, a process that gives it a glossy sheen and a satisfying snap. The tempered chocolate is then molded into the familiar shapes we love, wrapped, and sent on its way to stores. This tantalizing process brings to life the chocolate that graces our taste buds, a testament to the craftsmanship of Cadbury. Now that we've whetted your appetite, let's delve into the history of the Cadbury Chocolate Company. Our sweet journey takes us back to the year 1824. In the bustling heart of Birmingham, England, a young man named John Cadbury opened a small tea shop. Yet John had a passion for more than just tea. He was captivated by the potential of a rather bitter bean from South America, the cocoa bean. John Cadbury was a visionary. He recognized that the cocoa bean held the key to a new kind of delicacy, one that could bring joy to the everyday lives of people. And so he began his venture into the world of cocoa and chocolate. The road, however, was not a bed of roses. Cadbury faced numerous challenges in the early years. The business struggled to gain traction, and there were times when it seemed like the dream of turning cocoa beans into a booming business was slipping away. But John Cadbury was not a man to give up easily. His determination paid off. Cadbury persevered through the trials, refining his craft and improving his products. His hard work began to bear fruit, and the Cadbury name started to gain recognition. The once small tea shop was gradually transformed into a renowned purveyor of drinking chocolate and cocoa. The Cadbury name continued to grow, and the business expanded. The trademark purple and gold packaging became synonymous with quality and delight. Cadbury's chocolates started to cross borders, reaching the corners of the globe. What started as a humble tea shop in Birmingham had become an international icon of chocolate. Today, Cadbury stands as one of the largest and most beloved chocolate brands in the world. It's a testament to the power of perseverance, vision, and of course, the universal love for chocolate. From a small tea shop to a global chocolate empire, Cadbury has indeed come a long way. This is the story of Cadbury, a tale of cocoa, compassion, and confectionery that continues to sweeten the world one chocolate bar at a time. The Cadbury legacy is not just about chocolate, it's about a family's vision that transcended generations. The journey of Cadbury is a story of a family's commitment to their craft, their workers, and their community. After John Cadbury founded the company in the early 19th century, it was his sons, Richard and George, who took the reins and expanded the business. They were not just interested in profits, they wanted to create a better living environment for their workers. So, they built the Bourneville Village, a model village designed to give their employees a higher quality of life. This village was more than a place to live. It was a testament to the Cadbury family's commitment to social responsibility. The Cadbury brothers didn't stop at improving their employees' living conditions, they were also innovative in their approach to chocolate. In the early 20th century, they introduced the world to Cadbury Dairy Milk, a bar of chocolate that would become an iconic product, loved by millions across the globe. This wasn't just a new product, it was a revolution in the world of confectionery. It was the first time a company had been able to mass-produce milk chocolate that could be enjoyed by the masses. the Cadbury family continued to innovate and expand, adding more beloved products to their portfolio. From the creamy Cadbury cream egg to the bubbly Wispa bar, each new product was a testament to their dedication to quality and innovation. But the Cadbury legacy is more than just a list of successful products. It's a story of a family's unwavering commitment to their employees, their community, and their craft. They built a company that was not just about making chocolate, it was about making a difference. From the Bournville village to the iconic dairy milk, the Cadbury family has left an indelible mark on the world of chocolate. Their legacy continues to inspire and shape the company, ensuring that Cadbury remains a household name in confectionery. The Cadbury family's vision and tenacity have been instrumental in shaping the company we know today. Their legacy is not just in the chocolate we enjoy but in the values they instilled in their company. Values that continue to guide Cadbury into the future. Today, Cadbury stands as a testament to the power of perseverance, innovation, and a deep love for chocolate. Over the decades, Cadbury has transformed from a small cocoa press business into a global phenomenon. The company has kept up with the times, constantly innovating and expanding. In 2010, Cadbury was acquired by Mondelez International, a multinational food conglomerate known for housing some of the world's most beloved brands. This acquisition has only served to bolster Cadbury's global presence and reach, allowing the brand to continue growing and innovating. Now, Cadbury has a staggering number of branches across the globe. From its humble beginnings in Birmingham, England, the company has spread its wings across 5 continents, with operations in over 50 countries. Whether it's the bustling streets of New York City, the vibrant markets of Mumbai, or the tranquil lanes of Sydney, Cadbury's signature purple packaging is a familiar and comforting sight for millions. When it comes to wealth, Cadbury is estimated to be worth a whopping $7 billion. This staggering figure is a testament to the brand's worldwide popularity and the high regard in which its products are held. Speaking of products, let's take a moment to appreciate some of the most popular Cadbury offerings today. From the classic dairy milk chocolate bar, a staple in homes around the world, to the delightful cream eggs that make Easter a little sweeter, Cadbury continues to bring joy to our lives. The company also caters to a range of taste buds with its Bournville dark chocolate, the fruit and nut bar, and the irresistible flake. Innovation remains at the heart of Cadbury. The company strives to create new and exciting products to satisfy the ever-evolving tastes of its consumers. Whether it's a new flavor of dairy milk or a special edition treat for the holidays, Cadbury never ceases to surprise and delight. Cadbury continues to spread joy around the world, one chocolate bar at a time. As we move forward, we can only expect more delicious surprises from this beloved chocolate maker. Cadbury is not just a brand, it's a cherished part of our lives, a sweet treat that brings comfort and happiness. Our journey through the world of Cadbury has been as rich and delightful as a bar of their finest chocolate. As we wrap up our chocolate journey, let's take a moment to revisit the highlights of this incredible tale. We started with the art of chocolate making, a process as intricate as it is fascinating. From the harvesting of the cocoa beans to the final touches on the chocolate bars, it's a journey that transforms the humble cocoa bean into the sweet delight we all love. Then, we turn back the hands of time to the birth of Cadbury. Founded in the early 19th century by John Cadbury, it started as a humble grocery store selling cocoa and drinking chocolate. John's dedication to quality and his innovative spirit laid the foundation for what Cadbury is today. We also delved into the rich legacy of Cadbury, a legacy that spans over 2 centuries and is still going strong. From the early days of John Cadbury to the present day, the company has remained committed to its core values of quality, innovation, and ethical business practices. Our journey then brought us to Cadbury today. Now owned by Mondelez International, Cadbury has grown from a small family business to a global chocolate powerhouse. With branches in over 60 countries across the globe, Cadbury continues to delight chocolate lovers worldwide. Despite the immense growth, Cadbury has remained true to its roots. The company's wealth is estimated to be in the billions, a testament to its enduring popularity and the love people have for its chocolate. And there you have it. A glimpse into the world of Cadbury, a world where passion, dedication, and a love for chocolate come together to create the sweet treats we all enjoy. From the cocoa fields to your hands, every bar of Cadbury chocolate carries with it a legacy of quality and a commitment to delight. So, next time you savor a piece of Cadbury chocolate, remember the incredible journey it has been on to reach your taste buds.